Okay, this is stock number 8-12J. This is a 2006 Saab 92X linear, so it's the non-turbo, it's not the aero. 2.5 single cam EJ25, automatic transmission, and let's see, this thing has no check engine light. However, I happen to know for a fact that the engine is probably savable, but it's going to need a rebuild just because it's running on Blue Devil right now. The head gasket blew once before. This actually is my old car. So that's how I know about it. Yeah, the motor's running on Blue Devil. Transmission shifts fine though. I'll take you on a test drive just so you can tell. It is all-wheel drive. It's the wagon. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Nice and butter smooth shifting, just like always. I haven't driven it in a while, but because I got a new car. But still the same as I remember. So the transmission is definitely good. Dry shaft, all that stuff is all fine. No wheel bearing or suspension issues or anything. And it looks good. Like I said, the motor is savable, but it's going to need head gaskets just to fix that problem. I mean, it doesn't overheat. It doesn't do anything like that. It, you know, it's just because I know it's got Blue Devil in it. I mean, obviously that's a band-aid fix, and you're going to want to take and try to do that. So I'm on the fence on whether I'll put the motor in the system or not. Probably have to talk to the boss, see what he wants to do. I'll show you a picture of the motor anyway, just in case. Okay, this is the motor. Like I said, EJ25. Valve cover's leaking oil on the catalytic converters. So you can see it kind of smoking a little bit right there. But that's kind of par for the course for one of these. So, you know, is what it is. But there's no knocks or, you know, smoking out the tailpipe or anything. No fluid transfers, no anything like that. Everything's where it's supposed to be and the levels are up. So I still may put it in, just put in the notes that it needs head gaskets, that it's rebuildable. But with these, you're probably going to have to shave the heads. I know that it's never been done before. And I did just throw, right before I started driving it the first time, I threw a full timing kit in it with a water pump and everything else. I did it the right way, just because I had no idea who did it before me or if it was done. I mean, you wouldn't be able to reuse that doing the heads anyway, at least not the belt. But still, just an FYI. So we'll see what happens.